What criteria do you use to select your retailers?
At the beginning, I think every time, this is like the go-to-market strategy for, doesn't matter what kind of product you have, but it's super vital to find the right strategy. And our market approach at the beginning was we want to do online only because we know margins are highest in online only. If we sell on our own online shop, we can sell the product and we will get all the profits. Of course, we don't have to share with retail, and retail takes super high margins. You will see that when you look at our crowdfunding video, we actually say, the condom actually is so expensive and we can't give so much back to the value chain because retail is taking 50% of the profits, which is actually true. Not for our product, but for most products, 50% go to retail. So when we found out that it wouldn't be enough to do online only, we went to, I think we were in, it started when we went to Höhle der Löwen. It's like Shark Tank, the German TV show. A lot of retail started asking us, can we sell your product? And we weren't prepared for that because we didn't have a display for selling this stuff, and we didn't have anything. So we said the strategy will be to go to, and most companies asking us were like eco stores, like Bio Company and Original Unverpackt Läden and this kind of stuff, Dance and Alnatura. So a lot of eco stores asked us if we could sell them. So we decided to have a retail strategy, and the retail strategy was become market leader in eco stores. And that the idea was they don't sell so many condoms. There is no really very well-known eco brand for condoms. So we said we will become this brand, and then we can go to bigger stores and say, we're actually market leader in eco stores. And that sounds very good because people would say, oh, that's very credible. You're a market leader in eco stores, so your product must be very eco, right? Which it of course was, but we kind of built the story to have the story. And a lot of times is like, if you can dream it, you can do it. It's stupid saying, but it's true. If you say we're going to become market leader in bio market and you set your KPIs straight, you can actually do that. And with these KPIs, we went to DM, and then they enlisted us. And what we also did with the go-to-market strategy, we set a one price, like there's only one retail price. Doesn't matter what size you have. If you're a little Späti in Berlin, if you're DM, you pay the same price for one bag of condoms.
But can I ask you?
The critical part is, will we sell on Amazon? Right? Mm-hmm. And we always, that's a very tough discussion at Einhorn. So at the moment we do. And the reason for it is, if we don't sell our product there will be only unsustainable products. So we are kind of the alternative product that you can buy. And we're quite successful on Amazon. So I think we make 1 million on Amazon this year. But of course, Amazon makes money with every condom that we sell. But that's again, customer's choice, of course, because they could buy it on our own website, but for convenience reason, they buy it on Amazon. So our sales price is kind of in the range. So there are condoms that are more expensive. And if you buy a bundle of products, you can get down to a price of €4 per package, I think, with the best deal on the Einhorn store. And with Jahresvorrat, I think it's 7 bags for €36, including shipping. So I think that's kind of the average price. So of course there are cheaper condoms, but we are not trying to make a product affordable for everyone, because there are condoms that are affordable. I mean, you can buy a bag of 100 condoms for €10 on Amazon, and you can buy 10 condoms at DM for €2. But that's not our strategy. So what we try is, we have like a latex plantation or we work with farmers in Thailand on different latex plantations with a lot of different farmers, and try to show them sustainable farming. And we reinvest the money in this, or for example, the cotton that we use for the menstrual products. We get from like 10,000 smallholder farm smallholders in Africa, and we pay for water projects. So it's not the cheapest condom, but I think the price is like, it's a little above average, but it's like on average. But we reinvest the money into projects, and that was just the way we set market. So we said there's no need to make a very cheap condom. And to get everything into one thing, there's like, I don't know if you can still find it, but when we started the business, a friend of us told us, you have to decide what you're going to be good at, but also what you're going to be bad at.